Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make $1,000 a month on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Now this method is beginner friendly and if you stay with me, I will show you free software that you can use to make these crosswords in just 5 minutes. And if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will actually show you how to promote them. Now if we go on Amazon, we will see there is lots of people who actually sell this kind of stuff. And if we look, we will see 366 reviews, 157 reviews, 427 reviews. So there is a big demand for this kind of stuff. People are very passionate for crosswords, Scrabbles and Sudoku. They do those things literally every day. So to make a crossword, simply go on the website Crossword Labs and here type the title of your crossword and here type the word and then the clue, like dog, man's best friend, cat likes to chase mice, and so on and so on. Make the full list. I actually did few of these and this is how that looks when you finish it. And to download it, simply go here and click on Word PDF version. And this is how it looks, and then click on PDF. And here you can actually print it or download it. Now you need to create 20, 30, 50 of these and then join them in one file or create an ebook and then upload it to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Simply go on kdp.amazon.com. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. If you do, go on sign in and then go on Kindle ebook and fill this simple form. I will not go through this because it's pretty much straightforward. Plus you can find lots of videos on YouTube showing you how to do this. When you finish this, that's it. You have your crossword on Amazon KDP. Now, when you are just starting using free softwares and websites, it's okay. But when you start making sales, start making money, it will be best that you actually buy one of those softwares or to go on PuzzleWiz and pay for monthly membership so you can create better quality crosswords, Sudokus and Scrabbles. Now, to promote your crossword, all you have to do is go on Facebook and in search bar type crossword and then choose groups and join all of these groups and start promoting your crossword, Amazon crossword. You can also go on Reddit and find related subreddits and start promoting your crossword on Reddit. You can also find related forums or general topic forums and then find related threads. You can also find related blogs and websites and pay for banner ads. So that is how you make $1,000 as a beginner on Amazon KDP. If you find this video useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have many money making videos. Plus hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.